In this video, I will guide you on how to set custom wallpaper for your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. So if you want to be able to use your own photo or picture as the wallpaper for any HiWatch Pro smartwatch you have, whether it's the T500, the T800 or the T900, this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. First things first, you actually have to connect your HiWatch Pro smartwatch with your phone. If yours is already connected, then you don't have to worry, but if you have not connected your HiWatch Pro smartwatch with your phone, what you want to do is to go over to the Google Play Store or iOS App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then make sure you download and install the HiWatch Pro Smartwatch app from the Google Play Store or App Store so that we can properly set up and connect both devices using the HiWatch Pro Smartwatch app on your phone. And once the app is done downloading and installing, before you open it up, make sure you turn on your Bluetooth and then make sure you also turn on the service location of your phone. Now you can go ahead and open up the app and then just click on the agree button. The setup process is quite simple. Now on your HiWatch Pro smartwatch, you also want to come over to Bluetooth call features. So just swipe up and then come over to this call icon, select it. Make sure that Bluetooth is not turned off for audio Bluetooth. Just make sure you set it to intelligent mode or you turn it on actually. So just like so, and then make sure it is set to intelligent mode. Now on your HiWatch Pro smartwatch app, make sure you give it all of the permission it needs. So give it permission to access your location, and then from the home page of the app, you just want to come over to the settings tab over here. Make sure you bind it with your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. So click on the bind to experience more feature, and then from over here click on allow it to search for the name of your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. Mine is actually the Watch 10. I'll go ahead and select it. Now it is trying to connect. Just go ahead and give it some few seconds. And once the connection is done, you can now go ahead and change the wallpaper or watch face of your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. So first off, make sure you click on the got it button over here, and you're going to see a pop-up asking you to pair both devices through Bluetooth. You can literally see it. Click on pair to pair through Bluetooth as well. Now once that is done, you want to come over to the dial settings over here, and then from all of this list of dials, you just want to scroll down until you get to the custom dial at the bottom over here. Select any of the dials, and then you just want to go ahead and click on the select button over here. This is actually going to ask for permission to access the gallery of your phone. Give it that permission by clicking on allow, and then you just want to go ahead and select any picture you want to use as the wallpaper or watch face of your HiWatch Pro smartwatch. In my case, I'll go ahead and select this picture over here, and then you just want to crop it whichever way you want, just like so. Then click on the check button at the top. Now just go ahead and select where you want the text on the picture should be. Now in my case, I want it at the bottom over here. Then just click on the install, wait for some seconds, and then go ahead and click on install again. Click on got it. And now this particular watch face or wallpaper will now be sent to our HiWatch Pro smartwatch. You want to just give it some few seconds to complete the whole process. And once the installation is completed, your HiWatch Pro smartwatch is going to restart itself and now come with the wallpaper or watch face you have just changed using the HiWatch Pro smartwatch. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.